Hi, my name's Joe from LegalForAll.us. Thanks for watching this personal injury video series. If you have been injured in an accident, you may be entitled to a settlement. You may need help ensuring your rights are protected and that you receive adequate compensation and payment from the insurance company. Unfortunately, the insurance companies are not concerned with your rights, but are more concerned with closing your accident case as quickly as possible and hope you don't talk to an attorney. You need to know your rights. Don't try to go it alone with the insurance company. Click below on our link to complete your free no obligation case evaluation form and find out if you have a case. You can also call us right now and speak to one of our attorneys at the number listed below as well. We will evaluate your claim for free and get you the money for your lost wages, personal injuries, medical bills, pain and suffering, and loss of property. One of our personal injury attorneys will fight for your rights and get you a fair compensation as quickly as possible. Click below on our link to complete and answer 4 simple questions and know your rights. You can also call us right now at the phone number listed below. Don't try to go it alone with the insurance company. Also below is a list of some great videos that will help you and your family secure additional information that the insurance companies and lawyers don't want you to know. If you like this video, please subscribe to it as we value your support and comments. And don't forget, don't wait, get help today.